はい、行徳のレトロブスタフミューテックのバイリンガル YouTuber communication trainer. Today also, I would like to inform you one point good story. Thank you for you are taking another cut. My viewer is my God. Okay, today is November 9, a Thursday, a very fine day, autumn, very nice, yeah, every trees, yeah, every nature changing in the autumn, yeah, colorful days, okay. Today's theme, yeah, we don't think our doing, our hobby, our budget, our religion is extremely top and others are low level. No! I don't like to, say, no. Why? To study as a hobby every kind of religion, Nichiren, Dogen, Saicho, Kukai, to study, of course, modern religions, Unification Church, Happy Science, Soka Gakkai, every kind of religion is better. If we will believe in one, we will be saved. No problem. Every kind of religion are having a very nice disadvantageous point. But don't say to other religions is worst or bad. That's the origin of a quarrel or war. Okay, in this time, Gulf area, Muslim people and Jews religion, 유다야교, Christianity, and Muslim, they are fighting, quarreling so many years. Why occurring such a quarreling? Because some person say, we are extremely number one, you are bad. Our religion is right and the other is a demon. That style of thinking I don't like. Every good, having a pros and cons, advantageous point and disadvantageous point. Person who will believe in their religion or their hobby or, for example, martial arts or so, believe in their own action, own doing, own hobbies, own religion is good. There's what person who will believe in will be saved. 信じる者は救われる。That's matter. So, I think every kind of religion, every kind of martial arts or Buddha. Okay, finally, I would like to say to pick up one example. I have been practicing Buddha or Karate Do more than 55 years. In my clan, many people thinking our style of karate is extremely best. I studied in Gyotoku area, in town. There are strange, nice, gym. That gym having every kind of karate. Kyokushinkai, Seidokai, and what kind of armored fighting style, Bogu karate. I practiced by paying money. I experienced several kind of karate except my own believing karate, Egami-ryu, Shotokai karate. But I realize the style of 極真会、聖堂会館 and 防具空手、every kind of martial arts having an extremely advantageous point. But there are disadvantageous point. It seems to my believing karate also. Nice karate I believe in, but there are absolutely disadvantageous points, so that if we will coexist every people, to stay in harmoniously, we should think I am right and you are right. Everything is right. If there are disadvantageous points, we should realize to be amendment. Every time we should think of the point of be amendment. 改良しながら we should go up. Gradually we should go up in order to get a summit point. There was 万法一にis every kind of matter, every kind of religion, every kind of martial arts will be in one point. 万法一にキス。Danke schön, meine Damen und Herren.